welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to take you on like a little SF trip, I guess. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but just wanted to go to the city. My mom's going to the city, so I was like, I might as well just go along with her, but separate cars. So anyway, yeah.
Do you think about what you're running from? Why are we anymore? Oh, what you're running from? Why are we anymore?
I just got to SF. I think parking here is gonna be fine. I mean, I didn't see anything. Yeah. I'm gonna check out a new cafe. It's like Boavida. I don't know. I passed by it. It looks pretty cute. Apparently it has good ratings, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna check it out. I also need to use the restroom and I want coffee, so. You guys, I always pass by this car for some reason whenever I come here. It's literally a Batmobile. I love it. Okay, it's like kind of breezy and chilly here, but probably because it's SF and it's by the ocean. I'm not complaining though. I love it. I remember like I was walking out of the house and it was really cold, really warm, so I'm excited for today. Apparently it's gonna get a little sunnier later, so let's hope for the best. So this is their menu. Wow, they have a pretty good menu. I hope they have bathrooms. I see that they serve counterculture, which is pretty good coffee. I don't know what I want. It's like a huge, I have to pee.
Do you think about what you're running from? Why are we anymore?
Okay, so I went to the bathroom and then now I'm back for coffee at Boavida. It's called Boavida. Okay, got my coffee. Okay, let's try it. So, I think it's gonna be good. Huge. This is so good. I love it. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my coffee. Alright, I'm getting hungry. I don't know where to eat, but I'm just gonna go around like the Sunset area. Yeah. I don't know what to eat! And I'm hungry, so it's like I want everything. Let's see. Alright, so I came by this Balboa area. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I just parked. So we'll walk around and see. I think I might stop by here. It looks pretty. Alright, so I'm at Cassava. I didn't even know this was here. It's cute, but I have to order from this, so I have to scan it and then currently I have to order this way. I didn't know that. Oh. Hi, you guys, it's okay. Oh, that's cool.
Alright, so it's going to ask for your table number when you order. Your table number is 73.
Okay, thank you.
Right, let me know if you have any questions.
Okay, perfect, thank you. Alright, I feel like my battery is gonna die soon. But alright, so their menu is like all online, which is kind of cool. Let's see, I'm gonna look at the 2021 brunch menu because I think it's the only one. And then, isn't that cute? I told myself I'm gonna treat myself before I go to New York. Even though New York is gonna take all my money away anyway. So, oh my gosh, all these look so good. Okay, so there's like fried. Oh my gosh, these look so good. So there's like the Japanese breakfast. I think I want the veggie rice bowl because it has mushrooms and I love mushrooms. Okay, so I guess I order right now. There's a quiche. Ooh. The quiche looks really good. I need to order because I am hungry, and if I wait, I'm just gonna end up getting everything. So, table number is, oh, phone number. They want my number. Okay, so added to tab, view tab. I really have to pee. I hope they have a bathroom here. This whole like Face ID thing, sometimes it doesn't work. So, I think I'm the only customer here right now. And also, this freaking truck needs to move. The waiter is so nice. He like brought out my, what's this called? The utensils and like set and stuff. And he was so shy. I was like, no, you can get doing it. I actually really like this vibe. I think I'm going to vlog more casually, like by myself eating outside. Also, I need a haircut. My hair is too long. So. I'm so excited. Also, something really nice I like about this whole like Instagram stuff recently is that they took away, or you can hide your like count, and I think that's really nice because you can just post like very casually, like kind of Finsta vibes, which is what I like to do. So, all right, I got my food. It looks so good. Okay, that wasn't a legit bite. This looks really pretty. Ooh, I'm gonna try the green sauce. What's this? I think it's pesto. Wait, maybe I won't eat it like that. Eat it with other stuff, like this. Wow, this is so good. The avocado is legit the most like fullest avocado ever. And then there's a poached egg, and it's like perfectly poached, but I broke it, so. The waiters here are cute. Like, what the heck? I hope they didn't hear me. The vegetables are so tiny. It's kind of cute. It's really simple and nice. I like it. I just broke the avocado. Can't believe I'm the only one here. But then again, it's a Thursday afternoon, so I think it's like 1 p.m. right now. I also like how they gave me the sauce on the side because I like to dip little by little, not a lot. I feel bad because they gave me like this set, but I'm not even using it, but it's so pretty. The waiters here are so sweet and kind. They're all smiling so much, I love it. Hi, I'm okay on water, thank you.
How was everything?
It's really good, thank you. so nice. I'm trying not to look at my phone while I eat because I feel like I'm always on my phone. I hope they have tacos one day. I would come back. Yes, I would. I think having tacos would literally be the best thing I've heard. Like cassava. I'm pretty sure I've heard cassava before. Where else would it be? LA. Austin. I need to pee. I should have asked if they have a bathroom. I think they would have a bathroom. I absolutely love this vibe, but I need to finish eating so I can pee and then go somewhere, like meet my mom or something. Alright, so I don't know where I'm gonna go next. Where should I go? I still have a little bit of time left until I meet my mom, so I don't want coffee. I just had coffee, but I want coffee, but it's like, try not to spend very much while eating out just because I know in New York I'll be spending a lot, but I'm in San Francisco, so makes an exception. I also need to buy a bag of beans. Actually, flowers! I want flowers. I just saw someone carry flowers. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let this charge and then go somewhere. Maybe Land's End, Seacliff? I have no idea. We'll see. Came over to Baker Beach. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stay here, but also outfit change. So sandy. Should I still go? I should go. I'm here. It's just fine. I could enter through there. I don't know where it's gonna end up, but look, you can see the Golden Gate Bridge. Literally struggling to walk on the sand and realizing that sand's gonna get in my shoes. I'm like, but I already walked so far. So I'm literally struggling to walk on the sand, but I found a walkway. So hopefully it'll get less sandy once I'm up there. Regret. It's going all in my shoes, oh my gosh. But the views are nice. Okay, I made it out of that sandy area. I'm not gonna go back, but I think this is a legit like road, so I need to get out. What the heck? But I see the Golden Gate Bridge and it's so nice to see it. It's always so nice to be here. Honestly, feel like it's actually pretty packed, but I enjoy it.
You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder.
So my vlog camera battery died on me all of a sudden, so I'm currently filming with my phone camera. But honestly, I might just go back to my car because the battery is dead, but it's so beautiful here.
To see when you're stuck in a dream, so but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window and how.
Alright, and that's all for today. If you like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram. Come say hi. I would appreciate and love that. And until next time, bye.
Don't stay looking